Hello everyone, this is Sofos, the product manager of PC systems. As a hardware enthusiast, I have always been passionate about working with hardware, and I'm never tired building a PC. To be sure though, there are always some pain points while assembling a PC, like attaching the dual 8-pin power connectors and power switch reset connectors to the board, or ensuring cable management. The process of assembly could therefore become somewhat frustrating at times. Therefore, we thought about how we could improve the PC building experience. Let me proudly present to you our answer. Welcome to Project Stealth. The pre-assembly unit consists of an AORUS Z690 motherboard, a GIGABYTE RTX 3070 graphics card, and an AORUS mid-tower case. What makes this product the world's first and only product of its kind is that we moved all the headers to the backside of the motherboard. In addition, the case has also been redesigned for fitting those headers, which allows you to more easily attach the connectors and manage all the cables. The power connectors on the graphics card have also been moved below the card, which means that the power cable could be fully hidden on the other side of the case. Thanks to our innovative design for this product, you will neither struggle while attaching the 8-pin power connector to the board nor finding the right cable management option. Project Stealth is not just a game changer only, but it also underlines the fact that GigaByte is a user-centric brand.